The Philippines is known as the Pearl of the Sea in Southeast Asia. The tropical high temperature and high humidity environment intensifies the corrosion risk of automobile parts. The fuel consumption caused by traffic congestion has become a burden for the operation of enterprises.
As we can see, Philippines is a developing country, so we traverse provincial roads. We encounter different kinds of terrain. Some roads are not really properly surfaced. Some of them are not properly repaired, so it takes a toll. It puts a lot of stress on the under chassis components of the buses that we use. It's equipped with air suspension. The bus very smooth riding.
On the driver's point of view, they like Yutong because of the following reason. Like, engine is good for long distance travel. The under chassis has no noise.
Matahimik yung makina, hindi siya masyadong marinig. Okay lang po, maganda po siya. Being a bus driver, based on my experience, the Yutong engine is very good, very durability.
We also travel to areas near the coast or near the beach. There's a lot of salt in the air because since it's a coastal area, the salty air affects also the metalwork, especially in the body surfaces of the buses.
Also, the high salt fog can cause significant corrosion to vehicles, such as damaging the paint. It's very nice and appealing. The economic value the 12-meter bus unit brought to our operation is aesthetic appeal to the commuting public. I think this is the traffic congestion causes increase in fuel consumption and frequent acceleration and braking.
Since fuel is one of the biggest expenses of companies like Victorliner, definitely it has added value in terms of revenue generating capacity. Well, I think the average kilometer runs that our bus does every day is around 350 kilometers a day. The distance or the mileage covered by the C12s that we have, we got an average of 3.1 kilometers per liter because we are able to keep more savings. As of now, we have acquired another 20 units which we have deployed to our various high-earning routes. It has been a very lucrative or beneficial choice for the company in terms of the conditions and the passengers that take those routes.
Yutong Bus has built its own spare parts library in the Philippines to provide customers with protection throughout the whole life cycle of the vehicle.
We do have a floor area of 3,500 square meters. So currently, we do have 7,000 parts. This is a repair kit. We packed it together so it will be easier for our customer. So for bulk orders, we prepare them ahead of time. 30 minutes, we have to ship out. The item will be delivered the same day.
Opo, mabilis pong padating ang pyesa at saka maraming makukuha ang pyesa. Mura pa, mababa ang presyo.
The after-sales support, I mean, the people that Yutong sends, very good. And Yutong, I think, supported us in that aspect.
In the Philippines, Yutong buses have become the trusted choice of many operators for their reliable performance, fuel efficiency, and easy maintenance. In the future, Yutong will continue to root in product quality improvement and professional service optimization and contribute more to the transportation industry in the Philippines.